Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete and clear Safari history on your iPhone iOS 26 without restrictions. For example, if you want to delete the Safari history, but there are restrictions available. But if you want to delete them and there are no restrictions available, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, you have to simply go to general. So in general, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after clicking on clearing all network settings, you have to simply go back. Now, what you have to do, you have to simply check for the restrictions. Is there any restrictions available? So you have to simply go to the screen time. So here you can simply find the screen time option, and you have to go to check whether any kind of restrictions are available to that. For example, if you have to click on app and website activity, and you have to provide the screen time passcode, and here you can simply find that there is no restriction, so app and website activity, so you have to simply go on and delete the Safari history. So after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go to the Safari history, and if you find that there is no option available related to clear history and all of that, and if you want to clear the history and website data, then you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to look for the apps, and in apps, you have to look for Safari. And as you click on Safari, you will find the option of clear history and website data. So you have to click on that. As you click on that, then there are options available. So first option is that related to last hour, which means if you want to delete the history of the last hour, then you can simply select that. But if you want to clear all the history and also want to close the tabs, for example, if you turn this toggle on, then it will delete or turn off all the tabs which are open. So you have to select that. In this way, you can simply clear history and website data from the Safari without restrictions. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.